Are you tired of the 9-to-5 grind? What if artificial intelligence could become your business partner, turning YouTube into your full-time income? Welcome to Money Mindset. I am Money Mindset, and here we break down tools and strategies to change your financial life. In this video, I'll show you how AI can help you quit your job and make YouTube your new career, even if you've never made a video before. We'll cover everything from AI tools that script and create videos to building a system for passive income. So grab a coffee, smash that like button, and let's dive into how AI can make your YouTube dream a reality. The 9-to-5 job was once the pinnacle of stability, but now it feels more like a hamster wheel. Stagnant wages, increasing workloads, and lack of fulfillment are pushing people to seek alternatives. People crave autonomy, the ability to set their own hours, and work on projects they're passionate about. YouTube offers a direct path to building your own brand and income streams. Creating high-quality content has always been a hurdle, requiring diverse skills and time. But here's the game-changer: artificial intelligence. AI tools democratize content creation, making it accessible to virtually anyone. AI can help you brainstorm ideas, write scripts, generate visuals, and optimize your videos. It's like having a super efficient assistant ready to help you build your YouTube empire. This is your escape route. Let's explore how AI can transform your YouTube journey. Why YouTube? It's a global stage with billions of users watching daily. YouTube offers ownership and control. You're the CEO of your brand. You decide what content to create and how to present it. YouTube works for you 24/7, generating views and income long after you've published a video. Beyond AdSense, YouTube is a springboard for multiple income streams. Your channel becomes the hub of your personal brand and business ecosystem. Unlike a 9-to-5, your earning potential isn't capped by a salary. The more value you provide, the more your income can scale. YouTube rewards entrepreneurial spirit and consistent effort. YouTube offers potential, but many fear they're not the YouTuber type. Enter artificial intelligence, your secret weapon. AI transforms content creation by simplifying tasks that were once time-consuming. Think of AI as your creative co-pilot and production assistant. Tools like ChatGPT can generate outlines, talking points, or complete scripts. AI-powered platforms like InVideo AI or Pictory create videos from scripts. They find relevant footage, create animations, and generate voiceovers. AI handles the heavy lifting, freeing you to focus on strategy and growth. AI isn't here to replace your creativity, it's here to amplify it. Let's explore how AI can make your YouTube journey manageable. With AI, you can dominate YouTube without being on camera. Not comfortable on camera? No problem. Faceless YouTube channels are booming, and AI makes them easier to create. These channels rely on visuals like stock footage, animations, and strong voiceovers. AI tools can generate scripts, find footage, and create voiceovers. This approach allows you to scale content production significantly. Faceless channels, supercharged by AI, offer a profitable path to YouTube success. Let's get practical with your AI-powered YouTube channel launch. First, select a niche with audience and monetization potential. Use ChatGPT to generate profitable niche ideas. For content ideation, AI is your best friend. Use AI to generate video titles and outlines. For video creation, tools like Pictory or InVideo AI shine. They match your script with relevant footage and generate voiceovers. Create compelling thumbnails with Canva or Thumbnail AI. Upload and schedule your content in YouTube Studio. Batch content creation for consistent uploads. Consistency is gold for the YouTube algorithm. AI makes this level of output achievable for solo creators. The YouTube algorithm isn't your enemy. It aims to keep viewers engaged by promoting enjoyable content. Key metrics include watch time, audience retention, and click-through rate. Consistency is crucial for algorithm favorability. Regular uploads signal your channel's reliability. AI streamlines scripting, video creation, and thumbnail design. This makes consistent uploads realistic. AI helps maintain quality alongside quantity. Leverage AI for production efficiency and content intelligence. Consistency and AI boost your chances of discoverability and growth. Making your first $100 on YouTube is a massive milestone. AI accelerates your path to that first paycheck. The YouTube Partner Program requires 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. AI helps create more content, leading to faster growth. Affiliate marketing is another way to monetize early. AI can help script review videos and tutorials with affiliate links. Use AI tools to optimize monetization and accelerate your journey to sustainable income. Passive income is the holy grail for financial freedom. YouTube videos are digital assets generating income 24/7. AI increases content output, creating more income streams. Focus on evergreen content for long-term relevance. AI helps brainstorm and create timeless topics. Build a system for passive income, not just individual videos. AI makes the autopilot dream a reality. What are these magical AI tools, and are they affordable? Many powerful AI tools for YouTube are accessible and often free. ChatGPT is your AI brain for brainstorming and writing. Pictory.ai and InVideo AI turns scripts into videos. Canva creates click-worthy thumbnails and channel branding. TubeBuddy and vidIQ optimize videos for the YouTube algorithm. Systeme.io helps build sales funnels and email lists. AI assistance is within reach, often for free or low cost. These tools make building your YouTube empire achievable. Let's explore how these tools can transform your YouTube journey. YouTube success doesn't require rare talent. The foundation is a simple formula: valuable content and consistency. AI makes executing this formula easier than ever. AI tools help research valuable content ideas. Consistency signals to YouTube that your channel is reliable. AI automates tasks, making consistent uploads achievable. AI is the great enabler, augmenting your abilities. The formula: valuable content plus consistency, supercharged by AI. Success on YouTube becomes a systematic process. Build your YouTube business one AI-assisted video at a time. Are people actually making money with AI-assisted strategies? Yes, faceless channels are thriving using AI. Finance channels use animations and AI voiceovers for complex topics. Meditation channels pair visuals with AI-generated narrations. History channels use archival footage and AI for storytelling. AI streamlines production, allowing creators to scale output. Valuable content delivered consistently is the key. This growing trend proves the model works. We've covered a lot, but fear is a major hurdle. Fear of failure, judgment, and the unknown can be paralyzing. What's scarier, trying something new or regretting not trying? AI offers a psychological safety net, lowering the stakes. AI removes traditional excuses and barriers. The cost of inaction is missing out on building your asset. The opportunity with AI and YouTube is now. Take the first small step. Start brainstorming or sign up for tools. Bet on yourself and adapt with AI as your partner. The journey to quitting your 9-to-5 is achievable. It's time to stop dreaming and start doing. Now it's your turn to escape the 9-to-5 with AI. Action is everything. Start your AI-powered channel today. Download my free YouTube AI blueprint for a clear roadmap. Subscribe to Money Mindset for more real tools and strategies. Comment below. I'm starting my AI YouTube channel today. Download the free AI YouTube starter kit in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.